Christmas to each to all of you. Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas. My voice still ain't giving. It ain't giving. But y'all, come on. We about to go check out Atlantic Station and see what's going on around here for the holidays. I'm about to show y'all the lights. I'm about to show y'all some fun things to do out here. So let go. All right, so it's real cute. I'm gonna try not to get hit by no cars. You know they don't be following the law out here. But of course you can come out here. You can go shopping at all your favorite stores: Express, Bath and Body Works, H&M, Nike United, which I was just in, and I ain't really seen nothing like that, y'all. And then, oh look, it looked like the skating ring over there. Hold on, y'all. So here goes the skating ring, which isn't that big. This is cute. The lights out here are pretty, very, very pretty. They got some. Why ain't they got the reindeer lit up? Yeah, but the Christmas trees are really pretty. The skyline's nice too. The ice skating ring, it's different. Definitely different. Glad I saw that. But you can come down here. You can skate at your own risk. That means ain't nobody coming to help you. But yeah, this is pretty. This is one thing for you to do down here. All right, so the skating ring is right across from Athlete's Foot, just in case you need, you know, a little bit of directions. Okay, so I guess you could say this is behind the skating ring. There are these lit up snowflakes. So this is a good place to, you know, take some photos. The street is closed, so you shouldn't be getting hit by any cars. But this is a cute little spot for photos. Okay, so right outside of Azot Cantina, there is this Volkswagen truck. But look, they added some Christmas decor here. So you have this gold tacky dressed reindeer, and then they got the tree on top of the Volkswagen and gifts, and I think that's super cute. Y'all better come down here and get your holiday photos done for the free. Hold on, y'all, I gotta try this out. Now, why I gotta download the app? Hold on. Let me see if I'm really gonna do this. Okay, so they want me to download the app. Y'all saw I was looking at sneakers beforehand. Alright, let me get this app. Alright, y'all, I got the app open. So it says hit start. Here you can use my camera. Find a record gift box. What do you mean? I gotta have a record on it? Okay, so I found this Jackson 5 record. So now what? Okay, sorry, I'm trying to simultaneously do this. Okay, so what do I do now? I found that. Y'all, this is stupid. This is real stupid. Oh, is it just point your camera at the gift box, watch the magic unfold? So is this supposed to look like... Hold on, let's try this again, because this is very stupid. Hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna hit start again. Find a record gift box to start. So here, this is a record gift box. Okay. I don't know, let's try this. Tap anywhere on the screen to stop recording. Okay, start. So, am I supposed to send somebody this as a gift? Is this a joke? Y'all, this is so corny. I'm so bad I'm over here wasting my time. Anyway, the tree down here is super pretty. Once again, I'm telling y'all, come down here and get your holiday photos done. Come on a weeknight, because on a weeknight, it's less busy, less of a crowd. You can definitely get your pictures in. I'm about to look like an old person and take a selfie of myself. I didn't dress accordingly. That's why I'm gonna just take my own selfie. Oh, y'all, this tree is so pretty. Okay, this is one of the prettiest trees I've seen to date in Atlanta. And like this bow on this box of fake green grass is like super, super cute. And then here go another tacky reindeer, y'all. Who came up with this? Who came up? Y'all, look at this outfit. Who came up with this? Who? No comment. This how the young folk do it. They do it like this. Take a photo like this. All that cute stuff. Plenty of places to eat out here. You have California Pizza Kitchen. You got this Japanese barbecue dining. You can really make like a whole holiday outing out of Atlantic Station. You got some pho down here, a poke bar. Really cute. Oh dang, is that DSW closed? I need to return something. Hold on. All right, so the DSW is closed. So it looks like all the shopping stores close at 8. So you can come down here, go shopping until 8, go get some dinner, then take some holiday photos. What more do you want? What more do you want? They can go ice skating too, so that's the more. Ooh, you can spend like a whole afternoon, evening out here doing stuff. Okay, so it looked like for shopping, Old Navy look like it's still open. And so does LA Fitness, so you could get a workout in while you're down here. Let me check Old Navy, y'all, because Old Navy always got like good pants. Y'all know I'm long, and they carry size long. So let's see what this not DSW, what this Old Navy has to offer if they open. Need to be signing up for a job. Let me see what their holiday hours. This little calendar. They open till 10. All right, I'm going inside. Ooh, it's warm in here. But that didn't last long, y'all. I went in there and I started choking. I said, ooh, let me hurry up and get out the store. Okay, another option, y'all. You can always go to the movies while you're out here too and go see Puss in the Boots. Puss has his own movie. I mean, that's amazing. It's amazing. Got his own movie. So go see that this holiday season. Hey, y'all, I forgot about this. This I saw a couple weeks ago. So this is near the movie theater upon the entrance. But this is like a really good like holiday themed set. Look, they giving you the whole photo set. You know, they giving you the whole studio set right here. You just come take your photos and then send a digital card to all your friends and family. That is so cute. I'm supposed to come down here and take pictures. Have I done it? No. Do I need more friend options to take my photos? Yes. Because I'm not bringing my tripod and doing the whole shebang down here. I just need somebody to snap real quick and keep it moving. But anyways, this is a free way to get you some holiday photos. I'm gonna use this section right here if I make it down here. I guess within the next week, because Christmas is basically 2 hours away at this point. So we'll see. But this is cute. A free set to use for your holiday photos. And then across from the theater is this cute like buggy, which is like reindeer themed. This is another great photo op for the free, y'all. Y'all better come out here. Y'all better come out here and get your photos done for the free. Don't say I didn't tell y'all. I'm giving y'all all my gems. I'm giving y'all all my gems here. This is so cute. And see, when we say happy holidays, that's what this means. There's so many holidays to celebrate this season. That's why some of us just say happy holidays, because we don't know what people celebrate and we don't want to offend anybody. So happy holidays to everybody. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to today's Vlogmas. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.